So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the saturation of an image here on Visme. So once Visme is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is go to Visme and add some photos to your design. So I want you here, go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on the Photos tab right here. Now I actually just searched up a dog by default, in the last video. So if you want to do that, you can do that. You can do an uploaded video, whatever the case may be, an uploaded photo, my apologies, whatever the case may be. You can play around with that way. So we're going to go ahead and just scroll down and get this dog right here. So I'll make it a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. Now, in order to edit the saturation of this photo, for instance, what you have to do is press on the photo right here, go to the top left, make sure this edit button is selected. If it's not, it's going to look like this. If it is, it'll be highlighted blue. Then once that is done, scroll down towards this customize at the bottom, press on it to get this drop-down menu, then scroll down again, and where it says saturation right here, if you want to make it more saturated, you can slide this bar to the left. If you want to make it less saturated, you can slide this bar to the right. So you can play around with it to whatever which way you're looking for, but it's a pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can edit the saturation of an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.